Good day everyone, today I'm going to show on how to create an actual Hello World application using Node.js. The above code is enough to create an HTTP server which waits for a request over 8081 port on the local machine. Now command prompt is open. Here we have saved the darrellquello.js file on the desktop. If your file is on a desktop, so type cd desktop on the command prompt. After that, execute the darrellquello.js to start the server. Now server is started. Open HTTP in any browser and you will see the result.